Good morning. We have made it to Zanzibar late last night, and so it is the next morning, and we are at a hotel enjoying breakfast on our rooftop. Sean's eating the rest of his banana. So we had a fruit plate with some mango, avocado, grapefruit, banana, pineapple, and what is this? Papaya, I think. Papaya. And then Sean got scrambled eggs, and I got fried eggs, and it comes with some things and some coffee. Oh, we also got an unknown smoothie, which I don't know, Sean knows what it is in it. So there's like a mosque there that we have been hearing the call to prayer, and then we have a beautiful view of the water. And then this way is more of Stone Town, which is where we're staying.
Welcome to our room. We are going to do the quickest room tour ever on this channel because we are getting ready to leave. This is the Emerson on Harumzi. This is our room. All right, they have a beautiful canopy bed with the mosquito net. A nice table here with custom mosquito repellent and water. All right, so over here on the other side, we have a little table with 2 chairs for you to sit, I guess, by the balcony. Here is the balcony. And moving on from there, we have the bathroom with a huge tub, but I think it's mostly just for you to shower in. They have a nice gold faucet and shower head. And then a sink in here, of course. It's very spacious. This whole area is all connected, so there's no walls on this ground floor. Everything is just kind of open, and I kind of like that. When you're showering, it feels like you're still in the same room as where you sleep. And then the bathroom is back here in the corner, and that's a little bit separated. They have a swinging door for that. This hotel was built in the 1870s, and it has a particular historical significance in that Arabian slave owners were paid by the British to free their slaves in this building. The street Harumzi got its name from this period. Harumzi is a combination of Huru and Uhuru, freedom. So upstairs, we have a balcony, and has great views at both morning and night. You can, we actually had breakfast up there, and it looks fantastic. And those views, you can see straight to the water, and you can see all the boats out there, and it's nice. The only thing is that it is open, so like there is no door between the balcony and, well, the upstairs balcony and the rest of the place. So in the night, that's why the mosquito net helps so much. So that's it for the room tour. We're going to be going to some museums today. We're going to be doing some shopping. We'll take you along with us on that journey.
Explore Stone Town. Not downtown, that's not the word for it, but we're in Stone Town, which is so in Zanzibar is a Muslim country, and in Stone Town in particular, you have to dress modest. So that means covering your shoulders and knees for women, and covering up all the cleavage. And then Sean's shorts are maybe a little scandalous, but it's his only option. So we may buy him something.
Let's go.
The Arabs, when they were here in Zanzibar in 18th century were here in Zanzibar for two reasons. Millions of people were taken from Central Africa by force, and then they brought them all the way to Kilwa Kiviji, Dar es Salaam. After Kilwa Kiviji, Dar es Salaam to Zanzibar. That's the reason why after Zanzibar they put them straight to the chambers for 3 days, no food, no drinks. Yeah, 3 days. It's because on the way we're dying, because most of the time they were walking, and then they put the rope here on the nose to pull them, because someone was pulling them, someone that were whipping them behind to force them walking. So that was 50 men. Yes. 50 men inside this. And the toilet was there on the ground. And the water used to come here to flush the toilet.
50?
50 men in there.
And the bathroom, this is the bathroom on the floor?
Bathroom there. Well, yeah.
This is women and children.
Women and children away here.
75.
75.
And still no lights, right?
Here was no light, no windows.
75 kids. They wrote on the wall.
We just finished our visit to the East African Slave Trade Museum. It was very emotional, sad I have a lot of like mixed feelings about it. I wouldn't say I enjoyed it, but it was very like important for me to look at and remember and know that slavery was going on throughout Africa. Even in a place like Zanzibar, there was lots of slave trade happening and slaves being forced to walk with heavy things and when they're traded, dying in transit. So there's a lot of like sad, dark history, but I think it's important for us to remember that that wasn't too long ago. So
yeah.
Yeah.
And we keep these moments in our videos and we share them because we know that history is constantly being erased, and we don't want to be a part of that. So when we're going places, if we have the opportunity to learn and to educate ourselves, it's really important, and we encourage you all to do the same, even if you're not into history, right? It doesn't take much. This was like 15-20 minutes and we've learned a lot.
We're going to keep exploring Stone Town, so on to our next destination.
The Zanzibar doors. So basically, they represent like the trade between the Middle East, Zanzibar, and one more country. I think it's the Indian subcontinent. So they're really pretty, they're really intricate. What do y'all think?
We're going to take a look at the Freddie Mercury Museum, see if it's anything that cool. I didn't even really know that he was from Zanzibar. I knew he wasn't from England. I mean, he lived there, and that's where the band was formed. But we're going to learn some more about Freddie Mercury. So I learned he went to school in India. I thought he was from India originally, so already I'm learning something. He went to school in Zanzibar and then he went to India.
I mean, I'm not a big Freddie Mercury fan. I barely knew who he was, but it is interesting that they have his lyrics on the walls, handwritten lyrics.
It still works. I mean, the keys are like, they've been abused. I wonder if this is actually a keyboard used. I don't know how you probably, I think this is how you would play. The Live Aid concert was like one of the last concerts that Queen performed together. And now I'm just connecting the dots that technically Freddie Mercury is from Africa. So like it makes a lot of sense that he chose to do the Live Aid concert, even though at the time it really seemed like he wasn't gonna do it, but he did do it. That's a sick quote.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Christina, enjoy your day from
For cup. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Really amazing.
Thank you.
One thing about some countries, you definitely have to negotiate because negotiated a little bit. So, but we got 2 videos out of it, so that's nice. But anyways, we are at the Ford Hani market. This is where the night market would be if we were staying here at sunset, but unfortunately we're not. But we do recommend you come here. We heard that they have Zanzibar pizza and a lot of good treats. And you all know we love a good night market. I'm getting distracted because there's a pretty cat behind Sean. Sean, look. Anyways, we have a lunch reservation at 1 at the hotel we're staying at, but a few more stops on our DIY Stone Town tour before we call it a day. Let's go.
The water here is so beautiful. It's like this deep, bright blue, and I can't wait to swim in it later.
I didn't realize this was a huge shopping area. I thought it was literally just a fort.
I made it.
It wouldn't be that bad if the stairs weren't humongous. They're huge.
Oh wait, there's another level.
The stairs are so big.
Maybe 3 days on safari is a workout and we're just still tired.
Back at the hotel for lunch. We already ordered lunch, so we got the
Samaki Sania.
which is fish and vegetarian dishes served on a traditional platter, plus the Zanzibar seafood sinia, which is Emerson's Zanzibar seafood selection, again served on a traditional platter. So basically, it's like tapas, in my opinion. And then we have drinks. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get this mocktail, this mint and lime. I love a good lime drink when it's on the menu. Switch. Wow, that's good. Is this the one from South Africa? I need this. I'm gonna have to ask them. He wish he got this.
Whatever.
Fish kofta. The sauce is green yogurt and chili. And for the seafood, we have prawns, seagull, these 2, calamari, kingfish in banana leaf, and octopus. The sauce is lemon garlic butter sauce, green papaya salad, beetroot salad, dates pickles with chili, spread, fresh spinach, bare rice, and fresh chilies. Very, 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 very
Spicy.
it's true. You can try it.
Oh,
Enjoy.
thank you. Wow. Oh, this is coconut rice. You know, I don't like coconut, but let's see. We're just gonna try a little bit of everything. They said this is for 2 people. Y'all, it's mad food. With this kingfish. It's some type of fish, I think.
Of kingly origin.
Look at this. Fresh. You can tell this is fresh. Still has the tentacles. And lobster. I guess we'll share this. Ooh, and this octopus. Oh, I love octopus. See, Sean doesn't have any vegetables on his plate. Beets, cutlets. Here you go, sir. Make your mama proud. Eat your beets. Comment below if you're watching Sean's mama. And I don't remember what this is. Is that green beans? I don't like green beans, but we're still gonna try it. Or that's chicken. I say it's a coconut rice because girl does not like coconut. Okay. What's your favorite so far?
Prawn.
I mean, you can't beat this view.
Oh, it's still warm. It is good. I just feel like in the banana leaf, like the flavor is probably concentrated, but it doesn't taste anything like the banana leaf. It just tastes like kingfish.
Let me try it. We don't remember if it's kingfish or not. Oh, I probably could look at the menu, honestly, and tell you all. Wow. Do you feel like everything has like a little kick to it?
No.
Not spice, but like a little hint of spice. Sean loves sauces. I haven't seen him try any of those sauces.
I think this is meant for seafood.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is garlic. This is for the lobster and stuff.
To be clear, we really did enjoy that meal.
It was delicious. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.